Hi everyone, and welcome back. So today we're going to look at 2.14a, solving inequalities. This is page 367 in the textbook. Really what we're going to work on today is just the addition and subtraction inequalities. So we only have one objective for today. So go ahead and write today's date first. And then the objective is to solve inequalities. By adding or subtracting. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take a look. So we have x plus 5 is greater than 12. So we're going to subtract 5. Okay, that's going to give us x, and then we're going to do is greater than, and then we have 12 minus 5, which is 7. So x is greater than 7, and that's it. All right, let's look at the got it question. So we have y plus 10 is is less than 3. Okay, so we're going to minus 10. We have y is less than, and then we have 3 minus 10, which makes it negative 7. Okay, 1b, sorry. It's been a long day. So 1b, we have x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 10, so we're going to subtract 7. And that's going to give us is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, let's look at example 2. We're going to solve 3 is less than or equal to b minus 1 1/3, and we're going to graph the solution on the number line. Okay, so one of the focuses of this specifically that you really need to focus on is that the letters need to be on the left whenever you get your answer. So on the previous ones, we would have, x is less than blah, 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 okay, or x is greater than blah, blah, blah. Okay, you need to have the letters or the variables over on the left side, and that's because when you graph these out, okay, when you graph them out, your letters need to be on the left side. If they're not, you're going to run into difficulties. Okay, so let's try this. So first we're going to reverse the whole thing. So it's going to be b minus 1 1/3. Now, this is where people sometimes get lost. It has to eat, okay, remember we kind of talked about the Pac-Man mouth thing. Okay, it has to eat the b side, so the symbol actually needs to be reversed. So it's actually going to be greater than or equal now, and then the 3. Okay, it's not going to eat the 3, it needs to be eating the other side. Okay, from here then we're going to solve it like we normally do. So we're going to add 1 1/3. All right, that's going to give us b, and is greater than or equal. And then we have 3 plus 1 1/3, so that would be 4 1/3. All right, let's try the next ones. All right, go ahead and pause it and try these by yourself. And let's take a look. Oh, sorry, I just realized I forgot to graph the last one. Let's back up, sorry. Okay, so when we graph these, we would have 4 1/3 here. Okay, we need a closed dot since it's included, and we need a shade towards the right. Sorry, forgot that part. All right, now let's go back to the bottom. All right, so rewrite it first. So it's g plus 7, and then we need to do is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so again, watch those symbols. Whichever one it's eating, all right, then that's which way it needs to be eating again whenever you're done. All right, so whenever you do that, then that's going to give us minus 7 here. That's going to give us g, and then that's going to be less than or equal, and we have 3 minus 7, which is negative 4. All right, so let's go ahead and graph that. Need to include it, so it's close and we are going less than, so we need to go out towards the left. All right, let's look at 2b. So b plus 5/7 is greater than 2. So we're going to minus off 5/7. That gives me b is greater than, and then we have 2 minus 5/7, so that's 1 and 2/7. Okay, then we need to graph that. Needs to be not included, and it is greater than. All right, let's continue on. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, that's the end. So we'll go ahead and stop there. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.